Hello Kelowna, hope you had a great weekend. It was a wacky weather weekend with snow at higher elevations and quite showery here in the valley as well. And even on this Monday morning you can see clouds to start, but we do have brighter conditions ahead. So expect a partial clearing today with some sunny breaks in the mix. However, there is still some instability, so we will have to keep in a slight chance of a shower Monday afternoon, even the slight risk of a thunder shower for Monday afternoon as well. Once we get into Tuesday, expect sun to start on Tuesday morning, and then we will see increasing cloud as the next weather system starts to push in by Wednesday, bringing in another round of showers for midweek. I do have some good news though. Signs are pointing to a much warmer and brighter weekend for next weekend. So we do have a few more days to go, but at least we'll have a warmer stretch for the upcoming weekend. As for daytime highs, it is going to be still on the cool side for Monday. Warmer and more seasonal on Tuesday with highs in the mid-20s, but then with this next system moving in by midweek, things will start to cool down again. Have a great work week, everybody. We will talk to you on Friday for your next Kelowna Now forecast.